Data learners. We will now work on the second part of the dashboard. We have already worked on this one, as I will show you. We have worked on this one, sales overview. Now I will work on the product details. Just copy this, and in this, product details. So let's look into that. What is product detail is about? We have first total sales and budget amount. So if we quickly start uh, our project, let's see how we can do it very faster. So these are the things we already created. We can copy the view, and let's try here. Okay, and we can copy the same one. We already there are certain components we can reuse, and there are certain we have to recreate. So by reusing these, save a lot of time. So now let's go sales by customer city. Sales by customer city is already created. So what we will do is we go there, then we copy that, and in this chart we paste it. Okay. So we save our time. That will come after the two of these. Okay. So now we go to the sales by top 10 products. Let's make it bigger. You will see that it will be very faster. This chart will be much faster because of there are a lot of things we have already created, but it's just a different style or different view of the same data, right? So let's do that. Now the next one is this is basically let's first What is this about? This has product category, product name, month, sales value. This is a tabular format cross tab. So we will do that. That's a new thing we have. Let's do that. This one we have line graph, sales and budget by month. Sales and budget by month. Let's do that first. Let's copy this one. Let's see how it. Let's do that, but this is a bit different. See, there are some formatting. We will go. We will see what formatting they have done to that. Okay, interpolation. Let's see what we have. month, sales, and budget. Let's do that, Albert. So right now we will use this one. I'm not sure why it's not becoming like same. We'll figure out later. See what sales and budget. Budget underscore amount. So we have the same fields, but I'm not sure why it's not coming this way. So we make it linear, and we will. Okay, so we have the markers. Let's do that. Okay, so we'll come back to this one later on. Let's move to the next one. Sorry for too much time on that, but there are some different versions of Power BI, and there might be some changes, or I will look into that later on. First, let's move to the next one. We want to save our time in the video, so this one is basically it's a cross tab, and it has a product category, product name, and then month. So let's start that one. So we'll use this one, this table. There's a product and product category. Let's see. Product category, and then it has a product. Okay, and then they have a month. Then we have a month and then sales. Month and then sales. So month will go from here to columns, and then sales will go to the volumes. Key measures, sales will go to the values. Okay, so these are product overview. Let's see. Okay, so these are the products. Okay, you can scroll here to see all of that, right? So this is the one, two, three, four. So we have these. Okay, now we'll use the slicers. So slicer basically will try to copy these from here, and I hope it should work. Let's see that. So that's we're trying to save the time. We have already done a lot of work in the first one, so we'll paste here. Okay, so now it's working. We can simply remove that. Let's do that. Okay, so here we have the slicers here now, and now we'll use the month slicer. Okay, don't sync means like we don't want these to be next to the previous ones. Let's change. Hmm. So it's not affecting the previous ones. Okay, so we have all of these, and now we will copy these ones. You see how faster we are moving because we done a lot of work in previous videos as mentioned. Now we'll just copy these from there. Don't sync. And then we'll copy the next one. That saves us a lot of time, you know. Don't sync. Don't sync. Whenever we copy some data or filters from the previous chart, we don't want them to be linked with the previous chart. Okay, so we have these here, and now we have the product details. We'll give it a name, product details. So let's see how it looks as compared to the. So we can, what we can do is we can show the okay, just a bit different. We'll make these product name. So we now have completed the product details. So it's very similar to the previous one, sales overview, but it has the main difference it has is it has a cross tab which gives the uh, products by products in a tabular form. So this one is completed. We'll try to finish the other one also in this video, and then in the last video we'll do some final touchings, right? So let's quickly see what the last one is. Customer details. Hmm. So basically we will not use this graph. We'll use the same one. Okay. So this is also very similar to the other one, but it has slightly different changes. So let's do that. It's sales by month. So first thing first, we'll go our project, which is here. Okay. So we'll create the other one, and we'll copy this, and then we will copy certain graphs. Let's see what we have here. Sales by customer city, sales by top customer city. Okay, so we copy the same. Then we will, okay. So we have these. Let's say what next we can go. We can go to sales by month. Let's see sales by month. What it has. Sales by month is month and sales. Month and sales. Okay. That is the, let's change the name. What's the customer details? Okay, so this is basically customer details, and now we'll add a pie chart. Month would go here, and sales will go in the value. Let's see. Okay, I think we have that chart also. No, it's not a pie chart. I think it's a donut chart. Okay. You see how faster is that main crux of this dashboard is we have the data and now we can just utilize the different visuals and and it's very quick and very faster. And I hope viewers are following what I'm doing, and if there are any clarification, please leave comments. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Sales by top customer cities. So we have this chart also here. We can just copy that. We have that completed. Now we need what else we need? Sales by gender. Okay, so that's a new thing. So let's do that. Sales by gender. Let's see which chart they're using. And let's what have they done? Gender and sales. Okay. Go back to our project. We have gender and sales. Customer will use the gender and then we use the sales here in x-axis, and we will use color will be gradient, and we'll use sales mount. Hmm. See what they have done. Just quickly. Okay, let's go back. Gradient, sales by gender. So this chart is also completed. 1.481. Okay, so now we have to use this sales by customer city. Now we'll get the same this chart. Let's see how. Okay, so this one is here, and let's see what else we have. Hmm. Now we need this cross tab, full name, month, and sales. Full name, month, and sales. Let's do that into our chart. Let's include a full name, go here, column is month, so we have month here, and then we have sales, the values. Let's see how it looks like here. Full name is Jordan Tumor. Okay, they have organized these by, let's do that from here. Sort by sales. Okay, So we have sorted this by sales. As we now we have a Jordan Turner here at the top, like here, and there is one more thing we have to do is go to the there is sales and the background color is okay. So we will implement this one also in our sales cell elements of the format cell elements.
Do you know where the electrical room is?
It's over there. I'm just coming. Just give me 1 second. I'll be there. Okay, so we will in our graph. Let's do that. Okay, and now we need only is filters. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we'll have to use the filters, and then we will. almost will be finishing in the next video. Don't sync. And the last one is the year table, the time dimension. Don't sync. Don't sync. Okay. Okay. So these are working. For example, if we go to the customer city, okay, you see that's how it will work. So that's it for this video. We'll give this a name, customer details. So we have almost completed most of the portions, and in the next video we'll further do some final finishing touches on our dashboard, and then we'll we'll complete our project. Um, so I think the main goal of this dashboard building is to show how the data can be connected to this dashboard and how these different visuals work with this data in the Power BI. So I hope viewers like this video, and if you like, please subscribe to our channel, and thank you for this video, watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video to complete final touches on this. Thank you. Have a great day.